The Magic Chef countertop dishwasher in white offers full-size power in a compact design. Perfect for those smaller wash loads and limited kitchen space. It's equipped with more modern attributes, such as a durable spray arm and stainless steel interior, a spacious cavity for up to 6 standard place settings, a sturdy dish rack and cup shelf, a silverware basket, user-friendly controls, and a digital display. Likewise, the performance features include 6 fully automatic wash cycles, an advanced drying technology to dry dishes using hygienic air, and an anti-flood water sensor, which detects when the water level is too high, while operating quietly thanks to its noise reduction design. Its convenience amenities include a delayed start feature, which can be programmed between 1 and 24 hours, an automatic detergent and rinse agent dispenser, a folding rack for easier loading and unloading, and an easy clean 3-filter system to keep the unit working flawlessly. When the selected program finishes, the dishwasher automatically shuts off as the end of cycle signal alerts you. Plus, its quick connect adapter kit connects directly to the kitchen faucet and eliminates the need for direct plumbing or permanent installation. So let your kitchen sparkle with hassle-free, squeaky clean dishes by doing away with the burdens of manual dishwashing.
Bosch dishwashers, exceptionally economical and powerful. Bosch is a leading European household appliances brand, focusing on dishwashing and cooling. Bosch makes dishwashers for households around the world. In 1985, a dishwasher used 28 liters of water for 12 standard place settings. Today, it uses just 6 liters, and this for 14 settings. Innovative ideas for saving resources. The best energy efficiency class. Consumes 70% less electricity than 15 years ago. Efficiency and sustainability even before first use, thanks to eco-friendly transport, use of recycled materials, and manufacturing that does without climate killers. Bosch quality testing, from materials checks to endurance tests for electronic, mechanical, and moving parts. Bosch, invented for life.
Clean is on your side with the superior dishwashing power of the Frigidaire Gallery dishwasher. Our exclusive OrbiClean spray arm provides 4 times better water coverage for an excellent clean. And AquaSearch technology adjusts washing pressure based on your washing needs. Wash a full load of dishes in a quarter of the time with Quick Wash. You can get a total clean in just 30 short minutes, so you can get on to the rest of your to-dos. DishSense technology automatically adjusts the cycle time based on how much cleaning your dishes need. Frigidaire is designed to dry better with effortless dry. That leaves your dishes fully dry and spotless, so no towel drying is needed. Experience easier loading and organization with the effortless adjustable upper rack. With the touch of a button, it easily accommodates large or tall items. No more need to hand wash your fragile dishes with our Delicate Care soft grips. Your fragile dishes are secure in the dishwasher with soft rubber grips. A stainless steel tub offers durability that stands the test of time. Frigidaire's exclusive smudge-proof stainless steel is beautiful and resists fingerprints and smudges for an easy clean. The Frigidaire Gallery Dishwasher. One wash, one dry, one time.
Enjoy consistently dry dishes with Dry Boost. Unlike other drying cycles that leave water behind and deliver inconsistent temperatures that are inadequate for plasticware, Dry Boost delivers even heat for a complete dry that's up to 3 times better than what you'd get using heated dry alone. So you can leave the dish towel in the drawer. After all, it's not done until it's dry.